Good morning. The next day. So, I'll turn. Yeah, it's nice and snowy. Getting the car all warmed up to get to work. But look at this in the daylight. They're so funny. They got one of my lanterns and left it on all night, but they made like a lamp post and a place for their sunglasses and a tray full of snowballs. Let's see what does it say. It says, please take a snowball and throw it at a friend. Oh, cute kids. All their building materials and the tarp, and nice and cozy in there. That's so funny. They're funny kids. Anyway, thought I'd give an update. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna try to brave the roads this morning, which I know my Idaho friends is just like, you what? But here people don't know how to drive, so there you go. Yeah, I'll see you later.